What's up guys, it's your favorite Pick Instant back with another cool video for all of us. Today's video is on the top 5 best vacuums for long hair. It may be challenging to identify the most cost-effective products when purchasing various goods. I narrowed down hundreds of products based on a few standards and ranked them in this video to make your decision easier. These are just some of my favorite items that I use on a regular basis. So sit back and relax while I tell you about these amazing pieces of products. Please do check the product link in the description box below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So without any delay, let's get started. Number 5. Shark Apex. Shark is a brand which has created some exceptional, standout models of vacuum in recent years, including the Apex, our best vacuum for long hair removal as well as short hair removal. It combines many of the exceptional features and patented functions that Shark have created in recent years. These technologies include DuoClean, Powered Liftaway, and Zero-M. The DuoClean is a brushed system which is perfect for hard floors and giving a polished effect. The Powered Liftaway feature allows you to detach a nozzle to clean in more difficult and compact areas. The main tech which helps with the cleaning of hairs is the Zero-M feature. This increases the suction and removes hair wrap so that it can more efficiently pick up hairs. It also has a HEPA filter and anti-allergenic effect, which is great for those who may have reactions to pet hair. As well as being great for pet hair, this is a reliable and well-made vacuum cleaner all around. It is one of the quietest models out there, is smooth and easy to push around your home, and of course, it is very powerful, too. It weighs in at just 16 pounds, so isn't hard to move up the stairs or elsewhere around the home. Shark have also shown their faith in this product by providing an amazing 5-year warranty. Number 4. BISSELL Cleanview Vacuum Cleaner. The BISSELL Cleanview Upright Bagless Vacuum Cleaner is available at an incredible price tag, and though it might not be the most amazing product on the list in terms of features, it has all most people will need at a reasonable price. Similarly to some of the other brands on our list, BISSELL have some of their own functions and features which have been designed to help their vacuuming capabilities. This has a multi-cyclone system which keeps the suction level high and makes sure the dirt and hairs don't fall out again when you stop vacuuming or lift up your cleaner. One-pass technology removes most debris at the first attempt so you won't have to keep going back and forth across the surface. This is lightweight and has a long 25-foot cord, as well as a 6-foot hose, so its reach is pretty impressive even though it doesn't have the benefits of some cordless models. The main thing that makes this one of the best vacuum cleaners for long hair on carpets and other surfaces is the brush tool, which can help agitate long hairs which have become tangled in the floor and furniture and allow them to be sucked up into the mechanism with ease. For a corded vacuum for long hair, this is hard to beat in terms of price and features. Number 3. Shark Navigator Deluxe. There are plenty of Shark branded vacuums out there which are great for picking up long hair. The Navigator is corded and not as high-tech as some of their other models, but is still excellent at doing this job. Being a great vacuum for a shag carpet and bare floor alike, it is very lightweight and can easily be carried around the home, weighing in at 15 pounds. The cord itself is 25 feet long, so you don't have to spend lots of time unplugging this vacuum, then plugging it in again in each room. The dust cup is large enough to cope with a lot of debris, with a quart of dry capacity. The brilliant features for long hair include the brush roll tool, which is great for getting hair out of even deep carpets and rugs, or when stubborn and long hairs have become entangled in your furniture. The brush will help to disturb the hairs ready for the suction mechanism to grab the hairs. The NV42 also has an extendable wand to allow you to reach up to 10 feet high. It has a crevice tool so you can reach hairs even in smaller, awkward areas. All in all, this is a fantastic corded vacuum for long hair removal. Number 2. Shark Navigator Zero. Shark has come to the fore in recent years as one of the best vacuum manufacturers. This is an example of a brilliant model from them with exceptional suction that will be able to show fantastic results time and time again. That vacuum is suitable for various purposes and can remove long hair which many other models struggle with. Once the dirt goes up the hose, it will make its way into a large dust container that will allow you to do plenty of cleaning before you need to empty it. The cord length on this vacuum is 25 feet, which some may find to be a little shorter than they want, which can limit your cleaning ability. It's also worth noting that the vacuum cleaner is fairly heavy, and that is worth bearing in mind if you need to take it up and down staircases. It does have wide carry handles to make it as easy as possible, but it is 16 pounds of vacuum cleaners can get dirty quite quickly, even when you have emptied the container. This model is simple to clean, and therefore, you'll avoid a buildup of that grime. All of this exceptional quality is backed by a 5-year warranty that will give you peace of mind about its durability. It's an exceptional model and one that's not going to let you down. Number 1. BISSELL ICOnpet. This is the best vacuum you can get as you own pets. Cleaning after your beloved pets won't feel like a chore with the powerful BISSELL ICOnpet vacuum. It is cordless, so you can move around with it freely without the limitation of a power cord. It easily transitions into a handheld vacuum or a high-reach cleaner for various tasks in the home. The vacuum boasts a powerful motor that spins up to 420 miles per hour every time it is cleaning at the top end of its quiet, everyday, or maximum setting. The vacuum is particularly ideal for pet owners because it features a patented tangle-free brush roll that easily picks out every fur ball in sight. You won't have to go back to pull out miles of hair when done. The vacuum does a clean job regardless of the number of fur babies you have. As if that's enough, the vacuum features a smart seal allergen system that keeps all the trapped dust particles inside the vacuum cleaner. Emptying it when you're done is also designed to be entirely mess-free. The dirt easily slides out of the canister into the garbage without touching your arm. Further, you will get to enjoy 3 power modes that allow you to dial in the suction power for any type of floor, including hardwood, tiles, or carpeted floors. You also get bright LED lights that illuminate the floors during cleaning, allowing you to spot the dirty areas with ease. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Please tell us which products you'd like us to review next in the comments section, and don't forget to check out the description box for all the buy links of products featured today.